we want to get a middle guide down this front. And what I did there, I had my finger behind the comb because it gives you the ability to draw in a perfect guide. See that? I'll do it again. So when we want to get a middle guide, I'll put my finger right in the middle, so the nose is there, right in the middle of that back section. I'll then get my comb and I'll draw through, and I've kept my finger there. That splits off to there. Keep my finger on that hair, draw that off there, and I've got a perfect middle guide. Shout out to Kai Wilson for that.